My name is Ibrahim Guhuza. I work for NEPAD, the African Union Development Agency. I'm the Chief Operating Officer of a program within NEPAD called Grow Africa. Grow Africa is a program established in 2012 by three entities: the African Union Commission, the NEPAD Agency, and the World Economic Forum. The aim of the program is to facilitate private sector investment into agriculture in the continent. So we are doing so by supporting the implementation of CAADP. CAADP stands for the Comprehensive African Agriculture Development Program, and subsequently to the NAIPS. NAIPS stands for National Agriculture Investment Plans. So as Grow Africa, we look at those investment plans in the 44 countries where CAADP has managed to facilitate the establishment of those plans, and we facilitate private sector investment into agriculture by isolating priority value chain, but we can talk more about it later. As you know, agriculture is key for African economic, and if we want to develop transform our economy, we need to transform our rural sector, and by transforming our rural structure, we need to focus on agriculture. So you may know that within the National Agriculture Investment Plans that we've helped 44 African countries to develop, we've identified in each and every country 4 to 5 priority value chains. So our programs help to zoom into those value chains, help to organize the actors of the value chain by setting up inclusive platforms which will bring together the production, the transformation, the distribution, and the financier. We identify together the challenges of the particular value chain. We help to structure the value chain in a way that we create the enabling environment for private sector to invest. So if private sector investment will need policy reforms or infrastructure to be put in place by governments, we also facilitate that, because remember, we're a public development agency, so we have that credibility to talk to public sector and also to talk to private sector. Through our business model, where, as I said, we start by setting up a multi-stakeholder platform, then we help to identify the commercial opportunities within that platform, then we move to what we call the matchmaking, where we organize investment forums, where we showcase those opportunities to private sector actors, and then after that we facilitate signing of PPPs, but we call them term sheets. Those are agreements between public and private sector for investment to happen. So through that process, through that business model, we have been able to sign for $200 million of investment, private sector investment, into priority value chain in 5 African countries: Nigeria in the tomato value chain, Cote d'Ivoire in the coffee value chain, Malawi in the macadamia value chain, Uganda in the dairy value chain, and you name them. But the challenges that we are facing are the challenges that are common to agricultural development within each and every multi-stakeholder platform. The production, we talked about challenges to access to quality input, challenges to access to irrigation, mechanization, access to finance, all of those. So all of those challenges, as I said, we surface them within the platform, and we help to identify solutions within those platforms in 15 African countries where we are working today: in West Africa, in East Africa, and in Southern Africa. So I started by saying that we have a mandate of the African Union to roll out our program in the 44 countries where we have helped to develop national agriculture investment plans. Out of those 44 countries, we are rolling out our program in 15 countries. So we have, you do your math, 44 minus 15. So by 2025, our target is to cover those 44 African countries and create the environment for private sector to invest into priority value chains. I mean, as continent, we import, and that's an estimation, about $50 billion per year of food. 50. Yet we have 60% of the arable land not cultivated on the continent, the manpower, you name the opportunities. So why do we continue to import for $50 billion per year of food? It's just because we are not organized. We did not organize our value chains at priority commodity level. So our role as the development agency of the African Union is to go to African countries, explain to them that it is possible to tackle this abnormally where we have to import so much of food per year. by just organizing the value chain, the priority value chain in each and every country. And if those value chain will need public investment and public sector does not have the money, and traditional development partners do not have the money anymore, the money is where? It's for private sector. And they are willing to invest. You just need to create the right environment for them to come to invest. And that is our role. We as African Union Development Agency, we come here, of course, to network, of course for peer learning, to understand what is happening elsewhere on the continent, and also to share what we are doing, because we are doing so much in terms of planning in those countries. So we come here also to, I'm going to make a keynote speech now at 11 o'clock in a few minutes. So we come here also to share information about what is going on at continental level, the transition from the NEPAD agency to become the African Union Development Agency. What does it mean? What will be our new mandate now? What is our focus? What is our main for now? So we're here also to bring the information out there. So for that, I mean, the Indabite, we are happy to partner with them. It goes very well so far, and hopefully next year we'll be here also.